My name is Dean Lewis. I am the Corporate Facilities and Maintenance Manager for Farwest Steel Corporation. Farwest Steel was originally founded in 1956 here in Eugene, Oregon, which is currently our corporate offices. We have operations in 7 western states. We have 13 different facilities in California, Oregon, Washington, Idaho, Utah, Arizona, and Alaska. So Farwest Steel became associated with Redbud prior to 2012. 2012 is when a leveling line that was the first in the company opened up at our Vancouver site. We didn't go with Redbud then, but we learned a lot. We started working with a different manufacturer, and as the line evolved, we really identified an opportunity for really improved service, and I'll call it service in terms of boots on the ground technician availability, phone support, online diagnosis, or being able to tap into our systems and help us troubleshoot remotely. We also were looking for an enhanced spare parts availability compared to what we had experienced with our other line. And Redbud maintains a nice inventory of spare parts, and they their offerings along that line, along with the ability to rapidly respond when we needed service and boots on the ground service or remote service, was improvement significantly over what we were used to. And we did a little research. We talked to people that had experience with Redbud, and learned a lot of real positive things. And as a result, they ended up being the one that won that job for the line down in Stockton. It's a lighter gauge line than what we currently have, and so the material that this line produces is more suited to the market in that Central California region. And so it's expanded our product offerings. It also helps us in cost avoidance, so we reduce our freight. It's an immediate savings for anything sold in that area. It's a 24 gauge to 3/16 inch line. We have a traversing uncoiler, we have a looping pit, and the real added advantage for us is that it's easily teachable. The operation of it, that has been something that has required less looking over the shoulder and less feedback given from a trainer. We've had trainers on short spurts. They provide us with everything that we would ask for in terms of how to run the line, and not just run the line, but the setup operation, the remote access that they provide for us, and those things. Support's big. Support's really important for us. With a small maintenance staff and an inexperienced team of operators, we need to reach out, we need to have that support, and we've received that from Redbud. Redbud provided us with a very nice, comprehensive list of recommended spare parts, so we've been able to build an inventory just so we would have a lot of those on hand. The things that we kind of set out at the beginning as what we were looking for in a vendor and a supplier have materialized. We've found those things to be delivered as we would have hoped. This line down in Stockton is helping us to achieve our mission and to be flexible for our customers, and just been really a key element in our growth.